Hi everybody, I'm Kayla Gilbert.
And I'm Kendall Hester.
And we are both Level 2 interns at the University of South Florida. Today, Kendall and I have created a lesson that we believe would benefit our English language learner focus student, who we call Melanie. Melanie is currently in first grade, and she almost completely transitioned out of the ELL program. Her only area of concern is writing. Every other subject area, she's either above level or right on level. She pretty much only struggles with letter reversal when writing, especially with the two words B and D, which is also a common issue among ELL students. So to combat this, we created a 3-part lesson to help her see the visual and oral differences between the 4 letters B, D, P, and Q. Also, the objective of this lesson is for our students to learn and distinguish these letters and how to actually apply them when writing.
To begin, we wanted to do a pre-assessment of Melanie to decide how much she actually knows about B's and D's. To do this, we found a sheet online that lists B's and D's all mixed together. The student will then have to pick out the B's and the D's on each line. This pre-assessment will tell us if Melanie's flip-flop of B and D is a small mistake that she's making, or if she's actually just not able to tell the difference between the two. In the next phase of the lesson, we found a visual guide online that will help Melanie to decipher not only between B and D, but also P and Q. We thought it would be a good idea to let Melanie use this guide when practicing on this side of the page. So on this side, she'll be able to practice B's and D's and P's and Q's.
So each line will give Melanie a specific look at what each letter should look like, sound like. Also, we decided it would be a great idea to print and laminate for each student that were ever to have this issue and keep it and glue it right in their folders. Also, the last activity we have for Melanie to work on is her letter reversals is a activity called making words, just like seen right here. Making words consists of pictures on paper, just like it does here. And students have to spell out simple words using magnets. Kendall and I decided that the pictures we use for Melanie consist of words and letters that have the 4 main letters we wanted to work on, which were B, D, P, and Q. This way, Melanie will get the sense of letter recognition along with the sounds that it should go with. So to assess Melanie's student knowledge with these letters, we have decided to give a nice formative assessment at the end. Melanie would be required to make multiple sentences using these pictures to correspond with the letter she is having trouble with. For instance, if instead of a sun, it would be a baseball bat, Melanie would have to spell the word bat out with B-A-T, and then she would have to write a sentence using the word baseball bat in order to know that we see her writing the word B, understanding what the B looks like, and the sound of letter B and the letter B. This way, we'll be able to tell any further strengths or weaknesses that Melanie needs to work on. We think that this lesson with letter reversals will actually help and advance her writing skills.
That's all. Thanks.